1974 Porsche 914 1.8L. Price: $19,950. Location: Texas. The 1974 Porsche 914 1.8L proves that not every legendary Porsche has to wear a 911 badge. Often overlooked for decades, the 914 has quietly become one of the smartest classic Porsche investments on today's market. This particular example is even more desirable thanks to its matching serial numbers, California heritage, and its eye-catching factory signal orange paint, making it a car that instantly stands out wherever it goes. The first thing you'll notice is its unmistakable wedge-shaped design. The factory signal orange finish perfectly captures the bold styling of the 1970s, while the removable Targa roof gives drivers the freedom to switch from a sporty coupe to an open-air roadster within minutes. Add the classic pop-up headlights, 15-inch steel wheels, and clean body lines, and you have a sports car that still looks futuristic more than 50 years after it first rolled off the production line. The heart of this Porsche is a reliable 1.8-litre flat-4 engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. While it isn't about overwhelming horsepower, the 914 delivers something even more valuable: balance. Thanks to its mid-engine layout, weight is distributed almost perfectly between the front and rear, giving the car exceptional cornering ability and an incredibly connected driving experience. Four-wheel disc brakes provide confident stopping power, while the lightweight chassis makes every twisty road feel like a private racetrack. The interior stays true to Porsche's philosophy of simplicity and functionality. Twin bucket seats keep the driver firmly planted, while the classic VDO gauges provide all the information you need with timeless German precision. A sporty 3-spoke steering wheel, microfiber trim, manual windows, convenient storage compartments, and a JVC radio create a cabin that blends vintage charm with everyday usability. Every control feels mechanical, direct, and satisfying, reminding you why classic sports cars remain so special. The mechanical history of this Porsche is equally impressive. Included with the sale are service receipts covering maintenance from June 2020 through January 2026, offering buyers valuable documentation of recent work. The package also includes the factory literature, a full-size spare tire, and the original jack. Although the vehicle carries a salvage title, it is reported to be mechanically sound, making it an affordable gateway into classic Porsche ownership without sacrificing the authentic driving experience enthusiasts seek. The 1974 Porsche 914 is finally receiving the recognition it deserves among collectors worldwide, as values of vintage Porsche models continue to climb. Well-maintained examples like this become increasingly difficult to find.